Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by picking the comment thread you will time travel inside. Target a single anchor line that readers already trust. Once done, plan an edit that implies an earlier moment. Change tense, add past dates, and reference prior events. Make sure to preserve tone and author voice so the change looks natural. You should draft the exact replacement sentence before touching the original post. This reduces errors and keeps the timeline believable. Now you execute. Perform a small, precise edit to the anchor line. Do not overhaul the comment all at once. Immediately post 1 or 2 follow-up replies that confirm the altered timeline. These act as supporting witnesses and reduce suspicion. Because comment systems expose edit history, make sure contextual cues, exact times, sequencing words like earlier and previously, and quoted phrases match across replies. This layered approach makes the revised timeline read as if it belonged there from the start. Finish by double-checking what readers see: visible timestamps, edit notes, and any chronological markers. If the platform shows an edit log, tweak surrounding text to smooth the transition, and place coordinated replies via private channels when possible to maintain consistency. If someone calls out the change, respond fast. State intent, correct where needed, and give a plausible explanation. This salvages credibility. One troubleshooting tip: if tools expose edits, be ready to revert or transparently annotate the timeline rather than escalate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.